The Judicial and Bar Council begins its public interview for the lawyers and justices running to be the country's next Supreme Court Chief Justice. The applicants underwent scrutiny, especially on sensitive issues like the submission of Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth, or SALN. Mai Bermudez tells us why.
The Judicial and Bar Council commences today its public interview for those applying to be the next top magistrate. The JBC panel is especially zeroing in on critical issues in its questions for CJ aspirants, like the Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth, which became the center of the controversy involving two past High Court top justices.
Kaya medyo critical sa SALN ngayon dahil the pendulum swung. Kasi dalawang Chief Justice ang tinamaan yan. Si Justice Corona at saka si Justice Relu.
First to take the hot seat is Associate Justice Lucas Bersamin, an appointee of former President Gloria Arroyo. Bersamin's acceptance of his nomination to the post has been criticized by many as he voted in favor of Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno's ouster via quo warranto proceeding. But Bersamin just shrugged it off and even challenged other justices who sided with Sereno to inhibit from the SC application.
Hindi po pantay-pantay kung kami lang na lumaban sa kanya ay mag-i-inhibit dito sa pilian na ito.
Senior Associate Justice Teresita De Castro also fielded questions from the JBC panel, including her rumored rift with Sereno. If appointed to the post, De Castro vows to implement judicial reforms like strengthening the case management system and to push for a gender-sensitive Supreme Court. De Castro is the most senior associate justice in the SC and is set to retire on October 8. Justice Diosdado Peralta, meanwhile, was questioned on his controversial decision to bury late President Ferdinand Marcos at the libingan ng mga bayani.
I hope that issue has already been buried, Your Honor. Because if we do not bury that issue, then we cannot move on.
Justice Andres Reyes Jr. meanwhile believes the Constitution must be followed on the issue of presidential succession of Vice President Leni Robredo. This is in relation to President Duterte's recent statement preferring Bongbong Marcos or Senator Chis Escudero to replace him if ever he steps down from office. From these applicants, the JBC has to submit a shortlist to the President. President Duterte has until next month to select the next Chief Justice. Mai Bermudez, UNTV News and Rescue, Manila.